I want to talk to you about an issue I've had hooking up to some hub dynos. The EP3, as with the base RSX, have 10.3 inch 262 millimeter front rotors, and I've had a problem where the caliper is too close to the hub. To fix this, I'm going to upgrade to ACURA RSX Type S 11.8 inch 300 millimeter front rotors. They are the same as the EP3 Type R rotors. I plan on upgrading the calipers and the carriers to EP3 Type R, which are the same as ACURA RSX Type S. I'm going to change the master cylinder and the proportioning valve to ACURA RSX Type S. I'm going to get a RSX Type S brake booster as well. The EP3 and the RSX Type S have different brake boosters. I checked the part numbers. You can use the calipers from the FN2, but they mount on the front, so you'd have to use the one for the driver's side on the passenger and vice versa. Still trying to source parts for this project. Hopefully I can get it done this year. I really want to get rid of the rusty rotors. I want to add, most of you are probably smart enough to know this, but all this only works if you have 5 lug. It won't work for the 4 lug. There's actually quite a bit of pad left. It gives me some time to source parts. That's about it. I hope my video helps somebody. Just some thoughts and some plans while I had my wheel off and cleaning my coilovers. Thanks for watching. So these are K-Tunes coilover covers. They actually work pretty good. They just Velcro down the side, then you tie them. Do a good job keeping the coilover clean. You just wipe them down with a wet cloth when they get a little bit dusty. Never had any issues with them flying off or losing one. It's a good product.